Good afternoon. My name is Maria Vargas, the Marketing Manager for FIT Gyms. Today, I will be presenting to you the benefits of implementing a Customer Relationship Management CRM system. Most CRM systems would serve a great benefit to our establishment. However, we will be looking at various different brands to see which one I personally believe will be the best fit for us. First of all, you may be asking yourself, what exactly are CRM systems? CRM system is a tool that can facilitate interactions with customers, as well as increase the retention and satisfaction of its customers. The figure shows the large-scale benefits and potential that CRM softwares can have, including both front office functions and back office functions. However, for the sake of our gym and considering how small it is, we would mostly be needing front office functions. So, why does our gym need CRM? By using CRM, a business is then able to strengthen the relationship that it holds with one's customers. This then allows the retention rates to increase, and when a customer is happy, recommendations also increase. This results in a recruitment increase. CRM systems also facilitate other daily tasks required in a company like checking for appointments or any other reminders. Due to this, there is more time to focus on growing the company. CRM implementation results in many positive things. However, one of the most beneficial ones involves us being able to easily treat customers as individuals. This then causes an increase in client satisfaction, and as a result, increases the retention of our current clients and recruitment of new clients. There are various different CRM brands available. As a result, it is very important to do extensive research to see which product is right for us. For our business, I use Business Use Daily as well as software advice in order to narrow down different brands to the top 4 that seem the most promising to our gym. The options that seem the most promising include Less Annoying CRM, HubSpot, Zen Planner, and GlowFox. In order to see which product works best for us, we will be looking at the products based on the following criteria. This includes the product's price, considering that we do not have too much money allocated for the implementation of this program. Practicality, considering it will be our first time using it. How much access to help we can receive. If the product is able to track customers' attendance. If the product is able to keep customer profile records. If the product is able to automatically charge gym membership fees, and any other feature that may be a plus to us. For the first product, we will be looking at Less Annoying CRM. Less Annoying CRM is a very cheap product and a very easy to use one. Despite that, this program does not have all the functions that we are looking for, nor is it a good program if we are looking to expand in the future. The second product we'll be looking at is HubSpot. HubSpot is also relatively easy to use, though not as cheap. It has access to all the functions that we are looking for, but it does require adding those extra features. This product is perfect if we are looking to expand one day, considering we are able to add the features as we need it. The third product that we'll be looking at is Zen Planner. Zen Planner is a CRM product promoted specifically for gyms. It has all the features that we are looking for, though it is a little bit more on the expensive side. The final product we'll be looking at is GlowFox. GlowFox is also promoted as perfect for gyms. It has all the features desired, however, it does not have as much access to help as a product like Zen Planner does. On the plus side, GlowFox is a lot less expensive than Zen Planner. Choosing the right brand. In order to decide which product works best for us, we will be using the decision grid. In the decision grid, we will have each category on the vertical end, and we will have each brand on the horizontal. Then we will grade each product based on how great it is in each category. At the end, we will be adding up each category. As you can see from the chart, once we added up the points, Less Annoying CRM resulted in 22 points, HubSpot resulted in 23 points, Zen Planner resulted in 28 points, and GlowFox also resulted in 28 points. The final recommendation. Thanks to our decision matrix, we were able to see that the products that would serve our company the best are Zen Planner and GlowFox. Although both the Zen Planner and GlowFox tied in first, the decision matrix shows that each one is more powerful in different categories than the other one. GlowFox lacks an access to help. However, Zen Planner is far more expensive than GlowFox. Besides that, both products have all the same features which benefit our gym. However, GlowFox should be the product that we use for our gym, considering it is our first time establishing a CRM product and we want to save money while trying it out. What GlowFox lacks over Zen Planner is not drastic and can be worked around. However, we should be looking into saving money. This concludes our presentation. Thank you.